Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create or modify text style. So let's get it started. In the AutoCAD, go to Home tab and select the annotation panel. In this drop down menu, select the text style. This dialog box will be open. Now create new, you can give any name. I will say 1 by 4. This is for 1 by 4 inch to 1 feet scale. From here you can select any text style. I will select calibri. You can make your font bold, italic or regular. I will keep it as a regular, and this button is for annotative, which means your text style or text height will change according to your layout scale, which is somewhere here. So I will not check this and just give text height to 6 inch, which is pretty much standard for 1 by 4 scale. And this effect is to make your text upside down or backwards. This width factor is 1. You can give 0.5 if you want, 0.7 or 0.5, 0.4 if you want to squeeze your text, and I will keep it as 1. Hit apply, set current and press close. Now let's go to single line text. It says specify the rotation angle. I will say 0, enter, and you can start typing hello. And if you want to create multi-line text, just select multi-line text and say hello. Now let's say if you want to modify this text, so again go to annotation, text style, and you created this 1 by 4 text style. Simply just modify the text. Let's say I'll select Arial, then I'll make it bold, and I'm going to change the height as well to 1 feet. And this is 2 line, set current, close. You can see the difference. Thank you so much for watching.